How to fix Instagram couldn't load results. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up settings. Now tap on connection and sharing. Now tap on VPN and make sure your device is not connected to any VPN network. Now click on private DNS. Now select off and go back to your home screen. Now open up Play Store, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now wait for some time. Now after updating, go back to your home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now search for Instagram. Now click on force stop and go to storage uses. Tap on clear cache. Go back and tap on data usage. Now make sure to disable the toggle of disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi. Now restart Instagram. I hope this will fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. This is Max signing off until next time.